We know who you are, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is warning to persons involved in the illegal gun trade. Now, he was speaking today at a groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the Little London police station in Westmoreland. Anthony Lugg reports.
Too many illegal guns are coming through our legal ports.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness addressing issues of national security in Westmoreland on Thursday. Between January 1 and March 31, the police seized 223 legal firearms. That's a 14% increase over the 195 seized during the same period last year. But despite the success, concerns continue to grow about who's responsible for bringing illegal firearms into the country.
We know the people who are doing it. Yes, write that statement down. We know. But we're not going to go after one little person. Our strategy is to take down networks.
80% of Jamaica's homicides are committed by the gun. And Mr. Holness insists a strategy is being crafted to remove the profit out of crime.
We want to get the customs officer that is facilitating the gun coming through the port. We want to get the man that works in the bank that is allowing the currency to be transferred either into the country or out of the country. We want to get the person who is hiding the guns.
The Joint Anti-Gang Task Force, which was recently launched, has made several arrests and seizures since it was rolled out in February. Mr. Holness says much more focus is being given to intelligence and evidence gathering.
For the parish of Westmoreland, I appeal to the people, cooperate with your security forces. The people who we have put here to lead the security forces, they have special directions. Those who are the bad apples, they will be moved. And they will be prosecuted when we have the evidence on them.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.